And let me go outside and see what's happening. Outside, something is like this. The children are playing there. And there was something like this weather. And now let me do like this my camera and close the door. Oh man, let me ask you the questions. Hi, where do you live? And hi, where do you live? Hi. Oh, thank you, Titu Katish. And okay, let me tell you something about the plants. I grow this man. I take this one. It's like a pot. There's nothing here. When I start giving like a rainwater, because in South Africa around 1 week it's almost raining and raining, and yeah, last 4 days no water. Water came on last week. Water came in South Africa. Whole South Africa don't have water last time. The plants is when I put the capsicum there, and the capsicum there when the plant's gonna came big. I will show you. And let me show you two cats here. They always like troubling my other cat. See, one cat is this one, and one is sitting there. This cat is so naughty now. Meow 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 meow. She is running, and the other one already run. Maybe something is. Oh, this cat is my cat. It's her favorite cat, mine. He's troubling him, bro. He's sleeping. How? Tell me in the comments, it's cute or not. It's so cute. Tell me in the comment section, please. Make fast. It's cute or not. Oh, see the other cat. This one is like a tiger, but only the tiger got orange straps. He got black straps and a brown body. And see, the bird is flying. Yo. Let's see again. Where is the cat? Meow, 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 meow. He gave a birth, but his baby is lost now. Then he said too much. He said, let's see if he found his babies. Oh, someone opened the door. I don't know who. It's a magic. I'm joking. Just I opened the gate. The people is coming there, doing something there. And see how beautiful look this plant, man. Just see how lekker look like. These pink plants and nice weather, and there were trees like yo, man, lekker. Something. And there's a big like a something like a Christmas tree. Oh, I don't know which tree is it. And this tree is like a Christmas tree. Yeah, if you wanna see, is like it is a Christmas tree. See this cat. It's troubling my cat always. Not always. Even this cat is sick. I don't know why. Okay, Josie brother, I'm living in South Africa and Brits, Preminda. And all weather, let me show you from here. The cat is going like this and this and this. And let me come outside and see what's happening, bro. See, the cat is playing there. We're alive, bro. We're alive. See, Mercedes is normal in South Africa, bro. Mercedes is normal. Mercedes is normal.